Unit 2. Reading. Exercise 2.
Sue and Noel Radford have got 17 sons and daughters, and they've also got 2 granddaughters. It's a big family, and they're very organised. Every school day, the children get up early and have breakfast at 6:45 a.m. Noel gets up at 4:45 a.m., has breakfast, and goes to work in his bakery. When he has a break, he doesn't relax. He comes home and takes the children to school in the family's minibus. Sue works at home. Her older daughter studies, but sometimes helps with the housework. The younger children don't help. In their free time, they play video games or watch TV with their brothers and sisters. Sue doesn't watch TV a lot. The Radfords don't usually go to restaurants or to the cinema because it's expensive. The young children normally go to bed at 7 p.m. The older ones at 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. and their parents go to bed just before 10 p.m. Why have the Radfords got this enormous family? Because they love children. Life in the Radfords' house is sometimes difficult and it's often noisy, but it's usually fun.